Hey,
Hi,
hi, introduce yourself.
I'm Brianna, aka one and only body rider.
Okay, all right. And what's your type though?
Money.
Hi, introduce
Hello.
yourself. Come to here. Introduce yourself. What's your
On
name?
TikTok, my name is topgirl_Dania.
All right. What type of job do you do, Dania?
Well, I'm not working right now.
Mama, I got in and I might type of shape like Play-Doh still. I got
I should play Play-Doh.
yeah, mama, like you can shape in any form you see it, and I might think that.
Oh, you pop your balloon.
Yeah, the reason I pop the balloon, to be honest, Slimmers look flirty and means I'm kind of jealous. I'm not sense, a 3 cents, me having really. You
Makes
understand?
sense. Makes
Yeah,
sense.
man.
You mean when look, you can buy me yen shirt, you can buy pack a yen shirt, you can buy pack a yens marina. Talk it now, no.
You know
Can
much
buy
me make on a
Ameripants,
trip with
talk
just
it
a
now, no.
load for truck?
Can buy Ameripants, talk it now, no. But for Ameri side now, Ameri.com.
Yeah, talk too much now. Alright, me no know you don't have no ratings and an
Alright,
appearance, your shirt. Me no know why you take him up off already. The charter man you could have make me bring two. I get no ratings because he never put himself together good. He have one all marina, the marina yellow and tear up. And him shorts, it's not giving, and him piece of slippers, and him piece of
So, well,
clothes,
I
the
can't
white
buy it,
socks.
I can't buy
It
it.
don't make no sense. And my
Hold on,
slippers,
hold
when
on,
him said,
hold
oh,
on,
go
hold
with my
on,
clothes at
hold on,
$15,500 for my slippers up at
I like
Bridget.
that.
Novo Pandora.
It's a burger! Yo! I didn't expect the balloon I find love! Man, them, you ready? Yo, at Kingston, over there. I'm not like I live at Kingston, but Kingston is very stressful. Anytime I reach at Kingston, my blood pressure go up. And I don't know what kind of blood pressure I have, but it do something. You see it? For the man them. When a female walk out and you like her, based on how she look, you keep your balloon, okay? If you don't like her, what you gonna do? Pop the balloon, okay? It's simple and easy. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe below. Like boss, big up for the visual. April 19, Canada, Toronto, Canada. Make sure to look out for that. For people who are asked about Ontario and Montreal, and they are later they to hear about that. But April 19, Toronto, Canada, okay? Got it not like all the time, chips. Banana chip. Wait there. Please like the video. May I wait? Thank you. Yo, watch the man. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe below. For the man them who happy say, I stop hug the TV. The female them argue with me when them see me. They must say me nah give them a lot of hug. I don't know. Somebody I gonna feel it today. You see it? Yo, you ready for the first female? Yeah. Yo, you know me I gonna go home. You ready for the first female? Cool. Alright. Wait there. Please like the video. May I wait? Thank you. Wait until she reach out to say, yeah? Come to this side. Hi. Introduce yourself. Come to here. Introduce yourself. What's your
On
name?
TikTok, my name is topgirl_Dania.
Alright. What type of job do you do, Dania?
Well, I'm not working right now. Home alone?
Okay. So you're not working.
No.
Alright. And where do you get your funds from though?
Where do I get my funds from? Well, I don't know.
Oh, you know. And
I don't know. Well, I have family that send me things sometimes. But
You're a
for
daddy's
now, I'm
girl.
not working. I usually work at a dental office. I'm not working right now.
Okay. And what's your type though? What type of man do you normally go for?
Well, I go for the personality, and they have to be spiritually connected, mentally connected. Yeah.
Not looks. Just personality.
No.
Alright.
Well, looks alright, but not really.
Alright. And your social, shout it out again.
Top Girl Dania on TikTok.
All right, Daniel. We got some pops. We're going to find out why them pop the balloon. We're going to start with that side and come down, okay?
Okay.
All right, let's go. Right here. Just stand up right here, sir. Your name, social, and why you pop the balloon. Your name, social, and why you pop your balloon, okay?
No, I want Chippy on TikTok, one that underscore Chippy one, on Instagram, one that underscore Chippy. The reason I'm popping balloon, she no work. But I would use why.
So she not work.
Nah.
So you have a problem with that girl when I work?
Yeah. Suppose I'm broke right now. I'm on somebody for, you know, do certain things which she can't do.
You have to say about that.
What I have to say about I'm not working and he's not working? I think there is a problem.
You
Yes.
you are working?
Me I work.
But I'm not working.
That me I talk about?
I'm not working at the moment. No, it's not like I don't want to work, but I'm just not working. No. Yeah.
Yeah?
So
Yeah, she alright.
I don't see a
Yes.
problem there.
No, me see a problem though. You're working,
Well,
but you're not working.
I can't say anything. You see a problem, but I can't say anything about that.
All right, so based on her appearance, how much should I rate her from 1 to 10?
That's true. Yeah, true.
3 to 10?
Yeah.
Why
She
3?
in my appearance.
No, she not bad, but honestly, I might that.
All right? Based on his appearance, what you think about him?
Well, his appearance, I would say the same 3.
3?
Yeah.
Why you give him a 3?
Because his appearance.
So if him approach you in the streets, you would give me a number?
I would give him my number to be with him, but I would give him my number to communicate as friend. And I don't know, maybe he doesn't want any friendship either. So
Oh, so you're a friend zone him?
yeah,
All right, all right. All right, so I forgot him right here and then we'll go down back. Let's. Your name? Oh, yeah, I hide it. Okay, come to this side. All right, there. Your name, social, and why you pop your balloon?
Don't know on Proud Music on the TikTok, Juvenile YG on the Instagram. Woman, I got in my type of shape like Play-Doh still.
I shape like Play-Doh.
Yeah, woman, like you can shape in any form, you see it, and I might think that.
That's
Big
okay.
woman thing.
Everybody has their type. That's okay.
All right, based on her appearance, how much should I rate her though?
Could I get a 4, man?
All right, what you think about him?
Well, let's see.
4?
Yeah,
Why 4?
he's young.
That's it?
Maybe he doesn't understand spirituality, so I can connect with him.
Oh, yeah, like a person where you can reason with him,
Yeah.
connect with him spiritually.
Yes.
And him not look like him up on a spiritual level. All right,
Yeah, man, it good, man. It active, man.
let's go down to this side. Your name, social, and why you pop your balloon?
One Jazzy66 on TikTok and Risk for Life on Instagram. When I'm popping balloon, bro, she don't look like she right here, they see it. Yeah, so.
Oh my
and
God,
that's why
you're
I'm
so
pop-
disrespectful.
And that's why I'm popping balloon, you see it. Plus, she not even just good, you see me, dog, so. As a girl, she for just good, bro. You see it, yeah, so. That's why I'm popping balloon still, you see it.
All right, so based on her appearance, how much should I rate her?
I give her 1 2, my dog, you know. December, my born, you see it. A 2, my dog, yeah.
All right, what you think about what I'm saying? Wait, and how much should I rate him?
I would give him the same.
Same 2?
Yes.
Why you give her 2?
Why I give him a 2? Because he's judging me wrong. Yes.
Definitely. Oh, so you're saying if him get for know you on the inside.
Yes.
All right, then understand. Good?
Man, fully, man. Hey, man.
All right. Your name, social, and why you pop your balloon?
November._Don_5 on Instagram. Why I pop my balloon is, well, to be honest, she look good. But at the moment, she's dependent. She's not really independent, is it? But she says she still work. But then again, I'm not going to really work with that still. And I'm very impatient.
Oh, so you
You're
can't
very
wait for her.
impatient. Okay. I like the honesty.
And based on her appearance, how much should I rate her?
Well, it look like she come from a gym still, you know. I give her 3.5 out of 10.
Okay.
3.5?
Yeah, 3.5.
Because her gym outfit that you say?
Mm-hmm. No, well, how she come out and she know what actually take place.
Alright. What you have to say about him?
Well, I would give him a 7 because he's honest and I like honesty. Yes.
Yeah. Is he a type though?
My type. No.
No?
No.
Alright.
Ah, that cool.
Yeah, alright, come down to this side. Your name social and why you pop your balloon?
Yeah, my name one monster was Lego the boy, pie. Yeah, man. I'm on TikTok. The same name, isn't me? One monster was Lego the boy, pie. Also Instagram, yeah, man.
Only papa.
Yeah, man, fully.
Alright, so why you pop your balloon?
Yeah, the reason I pop the balloon because, you know, so pop the balloon, she come, you understand? So wear some clothes, you pop my eye now. You understand? You know this is spec. Just stay in the truth, you understand? Yeah, man, fully.
Oh, so you say we should have on it now, pop your eye?
No, my man say, understand? It's an idea. You have to look. You have to embrace yourself. You understand? Embrace me idea. Yeah, man, so that's it.
Alright, so based on her appearance, how much should I rate her?
I'm not telling like that. To be honest, I give her 4. Yeah, she don't look bad. She can go on, but I know my keyboard mouse is my type. You understand?
4 out of 10?
Yeah, 4. Yeah.
What do you think about him say? Based on your appearance, how much should I rate him?
Well, to be honest, I would give him 10 out of 10 because he's looking real great. Yeah.
And what do you think about what him have to say?
About my appearance?
Mm-hmm.
Well, it's just his opinion. I don't know. Maybe they want somebody like to just with makeup and stuff. Never want someone to come.
No,
right
alright, I'm gonna tell you the truth.
So I don't know.
You could have wear something better than that. I understand? No, this is you could have wear something better than that. You know,
Suppose I
say,
don't have something better than what I have.
Oh. Well,
It's just that.
it is what it is, yeah, you know?
Mhm.
Yeah, so, yeah, fool. Yeah.
It's okay.
Alright?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go. Over. Your name, why you pop your balloon and your social?
Alright, my name Father Film, on the grammar one Father Film, and on the TikTok one Father Film, alright. So, from a look upon me, still you understand, me a bossy youth, you understand, me have over 40 grand for my body right now, no? You understand, and the look where you get, nah, really bring her for me, you understand, you look like a girl, me nah try disrespect you, know, still you look like a girl where work on a back road and thing, you know? You understand, but me just a be honest, nothing really wrong with it still, you understand, but me, you know, me a just my type different, you understand? You see it, and for party and them thing, for portal night place and them thing, the video, people are gonna laugh, you understand? Because them don't know my thing set, right? You see it, my thing mad.
So how much should I rate her from 1 to 10?
Boy, what I want from 1 to 10 still. No, disrespect, I not bring her down still, but I give her 2. No, disrespect, I give her 2. She shape good. You understand? She shape good. You see it. But differently still, the look what she get, nah, bring it, you understand? Yeah. I don't know what. Maybe she did come later or something. I don't know. Maybe she never prepare, but try next time, baby.
Based on his appearance, what do you think about him?
And his appearance,
Yeah,
I would
yeah.
give him 5.5.
5.5?
Yes.
And what do you think about, you have anything to say about it? What him have to say?
The back road part. Even if I do work at back, you have Cardi B, she was a stripper, so I would say anything about people that work at back road.
Your life
So
still,
I don't really judge
yeah.
people like that because you have people that they have to be struggling before they reach the top. So
Understand.
I don't really do that. So it's okay.
Very positive. Love that.
Yeah.
Alright then, we got one more pop down there. Your name, social, and why you pop your balloon?
Name is Raheem and span social at Enid Lynch. Enid Lynch.
And why you pop your balloon?
Well, your shape good enough.
Thank
Nah, you have one backers body. You see me? Yeah, and you're a nice black girl and thing, but just nothing spark, nothing catch me.
Oh, you
Want
don't
something
get any
for shock
connection.
me, you know?
You don't get any
Yeah.
connection.
Yeah, and I
Okay.
energy. I like your piercings too, you know?
Thank you.
Boom, bang, bing. Yo, me, you can still be friends still. Looking at my iron.
That's
I tell
okay.
You see it? You can link me on my social, in it, Lynch.
Yeah.
I can talk after the year as friends.
Hey, the friend zone. Ah.
Maybe in the future, something change. We don't know. Anything can.
Oh, yeah, I say a friend zone. I say, oh, well, I like a personality.
Yeah. No, it can change, you see me? Yeah. What's a superstar, you know? You have kids?
Yeah, I have a daughter.
But you're not work. Oh, you manage.
I'm not working. No.
But you manage.
It's not like something I
No,
don't do.
but you manage
I'm just
though.
not working at the moment.
Oh, at the moment.
Yes.
But I did lie still, you see me?
You'd rather she lie to you?
And then tell me, say, oh, she not work. I don't accept her at the time that I say, oh, but
I'm not in a job right now, so I gotta be honest.
No,
I'm
no,
not in
from
a
now
job
I'm
right
working man, you know. So you don't know as a man, me that go and help you out and thing. You know?
How much did I rate her from 1 to 10 though?
7.
7 out of 10?
Love your personality. You turn bad into good. You see me, I love your personality. And you shape alright. Like.
What do you think about him?
Yeah, I said.
Well, I'll give him a 6.
6 out of 10?
Yeah, and that's it.
That's it?
Yes. I have
Good.
nothing to say otherwise.
And I'm
Otherwise.
what
You're
going?
cool.
Cool?
I like your nose piercing.
Mad.
Yes.
Chips, no?
Yeah?
Yeah, man. You see connection there? Yeah.
Connection there?
Yeah.
Alright.
Keep on dreaming too.
G. Well, alright. So the man name without a balloon, or I could grace someone, please.
Nobody has a balloon.
Huh?
Nobody has a balloon.
Whoa.
So everybody have to run for grace.
What's weird? Oh, that person just popped it. Okay, not bad. Alright, sorry about that. But you're very positive. Love that about you. Thank you so much for actually keeping positive and thing like that.
And I like you, I really love your show. That's why I come to experience what is going on.
Yeah.
And I always see you and I like your energy, you know?
I appreciate it.
You know, there are other men in the world, maybe my match is really not here as much.
Love
Probably
that.
sometime I would visit again, but I would just better.
Yeah.
Or, you know?
Everything.
Okay.
Alright then. You never get a match today? Or good grace, okay?
Thanks.
Alright then. She's so positive. I love that. Yeah? Chips. You want me to get some real now? You want me to get some real now, please? Yo! Yeah. Alright. Coming in on my hometown. I'm want to feel the energy, you see it? Big up every parish. We have Father St. Elizabeth, Westmoreland, Negril, Linstead. Which part else? Yo, come and blow which part else you know want Father now. Chilani? No man, Chilani people, no could come and here. Only so lazy. And the people them who live at Spanish Town, only can't come Kingston, only so lazy. Yo, want an early hug. No feel. Like please, like want an early hug, yeah. Yo, big up for that, you see it? You don't know if I need it, you know? Alright, watch you now. Are you ready for the next female? Yeah, right. Alright, that is it. Wait until she reach out to us, huh? Yeah? Yeah. Come to this side. Hello.
Hi.
Your name?
My name is Naomi.
Naomi, okay. And what type of job do you do?
I work in the customer service industry, so basically at a call center.
Okay, alright. And when it comes on to a man though, what's your type though?
I have to be physically attracted to you, and I fuck with personality. So you have to have a great personality, easy to get along with. But don't like the arguments, dirty. I have to be good in bed and shit like that. Like I fuck with it. No? Type shit.
That's a big thing.
Yeah, of course.
In bed.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright. And what's like a pet peeve? Like what do you don't like when a male do it?
Oh, I hate when you fucking brag. Don't brag about your clothes, your shoes, your car. I don't give a fuck. I don't like when you brag.
Don't brag.
That's all. Yeah.
You don't like a boastful youth.
Exactly.
Alright. So shout out to social.
So hi guys, I'm the real Naomi on Instagram, and that's 2ETHEE real Naomi.
Alright, Naomi. We don't got no pops right now, so this is for you. You're gonna pop 2. God, you're not easy. All right, so you're gonna pop one.
Mm-hmm.
God, you're not easy.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so we're gonna find out why them pop the balloon, okay?
No problem. No problem.
All right, let's go. This side. This side. Your name?
One Jazzy, you know.
Alright.
6 on TikTok, you see it. Risk for life on Instagram.
All right, Jazzy, you never pop the balloon. You have to tell me why.
I'm telling her I'm pop a balloon.
Why you never pop it before?
I never pop it before.
Yeah, because she dead here.
Yeah.
And
I'm tell her what my eye connect pan. You know what my eye connect pan? Alright, her breast them boy. I not like them stylish. She look like she dey on the market. You see it? I not like them girl. I like girl that can, you see me? Uplift me, bro. You see it? Yeah, bro. You see it? Plus, she slim girl and my type. You see me?
So why you never pop the balloon before that?
My eye just did a connect now.
Oh, so your eye did last and at the top.
Well, I know, man. Me confuse the blood cleaner. Anyway, she ain't my type. You see, but I give her 1 3 out of 10. You see,
3 out of 10?
Yeah, bro.
Oh, that's crazy.
Yeah, cause she look like she dey on the market, bro. Want that decent girl, bro.
When you say on the market, what you mean?
Bro, she bore up and them places, bro. And you see, I'll nail and them thing, bro. And my type that dog. You look, bro. You can't go do nothing for me. You go want everything for me, bro. You see, them days are done long time, bad man. So, she ain't my type, dog.
All right. Balloon. All right. Based on him appearance, what you think about him?
Physically not my type. You're a bit too short. I get what you're saying, like the piercings. Not everybody will fuck with the piercings, but I totally get that. And I don't think I would want anything from you because I make my own money. That's all.
That's it. All right. So based on his appearance, how much should you rate him?
I'll give you a 5. You're not ugly. Honestly, you look good. I give you my 5.
I hate man like that, man. Fully hate that.
See where you going?
I want just seeing him, dog.
All right, let's go. All right. Right here. All right, your name and why you pop a balloon?
I want Chippy. The reason I'm popping balloon. I know her.
It's on volume.
I know her, but she don't know me.
You know her?
Yeah.
You know him?
From?
In African location.
Oh, okay, cool.
But she alright. I'm not get her. Can I turn her? Yeah, 7.
Appreciate it.
7 out of 10?
Yeah.
Why?
Because her owners look good.
Just that alone.
Yeah, man. She have a nice face, so she good.
Her face.
Thanks.
Yeah, man.
All right. Based on him appearance, how much you that rate him?
Based on his appearance, a 4. You're not bad, I guess. I just don't like the matches, like the beach shorts with the shirt.
No, I don't match.
No, just personally don't like it. That's all.
Yeah.
But you say no, me. I'm curious where you know me from, but otherwise, yeah, you're cool. And you look too young. You look definitely too young.
Oh, so if him approach you outside?
No.
No.
You look too young. Exactly.
All right then. All right. We got a pop just now. All right, come on to this side. Your name? Why you pop your balloon?
Yeah, my name. One Monster Boss, Lego the Bird, pie. On Instagram and TikTok. Yeah, man. Fully.
Why you pop your balloon?
Yeah, the reason I pop the balloon. To be honest, Slimmers look flirty. I mean, I'm kind of jealous. I'm not in a sense. A 3 cents, man, really. You understand?
Makes
Yeah,
sense.
man.
So she look flirty?
Yeah, my style, that. You understand?
What do you mean look flirty?
No, the way she behave and I react to the answer them and the question them, yeah, kind of throw me off like rice water.
That makes sense.
Yeah, good.
How much did I rate her from 1 to 10?
Give her a 60. She never really look, but she can go on, you know? Yeah. Big up yourself.
6 out of 10?
No problem.
Yeah, 6 out of 10.
Based on him appearance, and what do you think about what him have to say?
What am I to say? Flirty. I wouldn't say flirty. I'm honestly just nice. If you come to me nice, me I gonna be nice to you. There's no need to be disrespectful. But if you bring certain talk to me, that's what I won't fuck with. But based on your appearance, you look good. Honestly, not personally, not my type. I don't usually go for light skins. I like chocolate, preferably like. I'm physically attracted to chocolate men, so like light skins are really my type. Not just too much, and not too much for me. Basically, that's all.
And how much did I rate it?
I'll give him a 7. You're cool. I fuck with it. You're cool.
Yeah?
Yeah, yeah.
Alright. Let's go down here. Right here. Your name and why you pop your balloon?
Don't know, I want Pride Music on the TikTok and I want Juvenile YG on Instagram. Yeah, you she is saying about. She not say nothing connect for me, so I'm just there for pop it, you see it?
What do you mean?
Nah, she not say nothing, you know? She say she not like light skin. She just tell the dog say I'm look too young for me. Would I look all younger than the dog?
Yeah,
For sure.
honestly, I appreciate you popping for me because I was gonna
But
pop
they look
it.
good still, man. I got to lie.
Thank you. Thank you. I
She look
appreciate
good
it.
for real,
How
man.
much did I rate her from 1 to 10?
Yeah, man, she a 10, man. Man, I got 10 a lie, but. Yeah, man, I eat, man.
Alright. Based on him appearance?
I fuck with the dress, bro. Like I fuck with how your fit is. I like it. It's cool. Like your approach is real good. You're a bit too young. You look young. So I wouldn't go for you if I see you outside.
No,
Type
you
shit.
don't say that, man.
And the icky that you have my neck?
No, you know, so one night I'm there in one party and get a
No, do you
graze.
not have to explain. I just
Like a graze?
Yeah. Grace.
Oh,
Just keep safe, bro.
True.
Alright, come down to this side.
okay.
Alright, the man them without a balloon, walk with grace for me now. Go down to that side. Come down to this side, Maji. Alright, so it's your turn right now to ask them a question, to get to know them, because we want to find out who's your match, what kind of chemistry you're feeling, okay? Who you
Yeah.
want to start with first?
I guess I'll start with him.
Him? Alright then, let's go. Your name?
Father Flame. Yeah.
What's the question for him?
Basically, how do you deal with conflict in a relationship? Like if you are a girl in an argument, like how would I deal with that?
Actually, mama made kind of chip out still, you know, but to tell you the truth, still, you look nice, you understand? You look like a chill girl, so you look like somebody who can control. So me would never get caught up in a them situation there, you know?
Appreciate it.
Yeah.
Should look like somebody where you could have control?
Yeah, man. She look like a girl who can tell you for doing them look thing there. You know? Yeah.
Really, stop looking at me, so.
Mm-hmm.
All right, I get you. No
Alright,
problem.
that's it?
Yeah, that's it.
Your name?
November._Don_5 on Instagram.
Alright. What's his question?
What's your like ideal first date? Where would that tip me? If you sat
Well,
down?
to be honest, type of girl, look like a girl I'm gonna take on a picnic date.
Okay, I fuck with that. I'm gonna like nothing too fancy. That's why. But yeah,
That's cool.
That's it?
yeah, that's it.
Alright. Your name?
Any Lynch.
What's his question?
Same question. Where would you take me for a first date? An ideal first date?
Where you like eat?
No, you fi plan that. Like
Me fi
you
plan
would
where
just
you-
like you don't know me.
Yeah.
Like me, it was saying, you know, hey, let me take you out. Where you gonna take me? Were you like, or were you feel like saying, no, say, should I like that too? Or
What time is you go?
yeah, cause suppose say like the beach. You say, no, I'm gonna take her for a walk on the beach. And I really, I feel good.
Yeah, mom, I'll take you
You can
on the
just
beach.
like,
You don't want to get some nice lobster, fish and bami. You should have nice fish and bami. You see me, yeah, man. With a, what you call it, spread out on the ground. You see me, night beach are better.
exactly.
Yeah,
I
you see
fuck
me,
with
that-
night beach. You see?
Yeah, you see me? Yeah, man, that
Exactly.
even better.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright. Coming to this side.
No problem.
Alright, so we're up to 3 right now. So you got the answer that you were looking for?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, so I want you to eliminate one right now. One male.
One male.
Pop one male balloon.
Okay.
Based on the vibes you're not feeling.
Based on the vibe and
Yeah.
shit.
Yeah. Let's go. Alright. And before, why you kept a balloon?
Well, she actually she's independent. She actually make her own money and she not really depend on nobody else. So I'm really fuck with that.
Mm-hmm.
And what you like about her though?
Well, I'm like her fit. She's actually okay. She have a good accent, to be honest. That's it.
Accent?
Yeah, she have a nice accent.
Appreciate it.
Why you pop his balloon?
I would say just the physical attraction and
No.
I feel like say just like me have a icky on your neck
No,
too.
I'm not
If
like
me
keep
I
on
look
my
too.
neck. No, I mean they are the same party.
Also, Tony did at the same party and the same thing does something.
Yeah.
Oh,
Shot
that's
Grace
crazy.
too?
Be safe.
Yeah, can't be
That's
safe, man.
crazy.
Are you? Yeah,
So Tone and neck did that side? Oh no. What? No, sorry. Alright. And how much did I rate him from 1 to 10?
I'll give him a 9.
9 out of 10?
Fit, yeah.
Yeah? Yeah, alright. And what you like about him though?
All right. Firstly, I like your hair texture. It's cool. I like your dressing. I like your fit. I fuck with this. I don't know what it is, but I like it's giving my people Indian. So yeah.
That's okay. Thanks.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, based on her appearance, how much did I rate her?
Like yeah, 8. Reason why she not get other 2 cause she show up too much. Yeah.
No problem.
Show
This
too
is how
much,
I
like-
feel comfortable. So
What do you
this
mean
is
too
how
much?
I
What you
feel
mean?
comfortable.
Too much our body part is it.
Okay.
That good?
She cool.
Mhm.
Alright,
No problem.
come to this side.
Yeah.
My G, walk with grace for me now. Before. Alright, so we have 2 male right here.
Mm-hmm.
What am I gonna make them do? Them I gonna ask you a question. We're gonna see if the chemistry there. Come here, try look, you know. You know who you are gonna find. I feel like you know who you are gonna find.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. So them I gonna get a chance to ask you a question, okay?
Mm-hmm.
All
No
right.
problem.
Let's go. What's her question?
Well, she seemed like a chill vibe, you know, so me I say, what more of ask her is that, like, how should how should deal with her, how you deal with your man and them things.
Oh, baby, from I have it, you're gonna get spoiled. I like spending on my man, especially if I really like you. If I really, really like you, then yeah, like if you say you're hungry, me I go be the man that really attends to yeah, me I buy your food. Me I be the one that, yeah. Basically, yeah, I will if I really like you. Anyway, anytime I say I'm there.
Watching you put a little feeling in my body right now, you understand? Yeah. Me I tell you, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. But guess what now, but the thing is that you know, I know who you want, so I the idea just this right there. But
Makes
me like you still.
No problem.
Yeah, baby.
Alright, let's go. Yeah. Alright, what's her question?
You have kids?
No.
Oh, where they are work, you look attractive, you see our monster in the bed. Yeah, I'm vibes the girl. I go soca.
I love soca party actually.
That's
Carnival, soca mocha, I'll be there.
yeah, man, me and the attire. So buy in a park. Right there. Got you. You see me? Yeah, man.
That's it?
That's it.
Alright, come on to this side. Alright, my G. Anybody, everybody right now wanna keep on the balloon? The question wanna ask, I wanna get on the answer good? So now keep on the balloon. Alright, it's up to you right now. You're gonna ask a final question. And if you do get the answer where you deserve, you're gonna pop 1. Okay?
Okay.
Ready?
Do I have a final?
Do you have a final question?
Yeah, let me think. Hold on.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go.
Mhm.
What's it for him?
So, like, what do you do, like, in your spare time? Or what do you do for work? And what do you do in your spare time?
I work at national, you understand?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, like when we get break, I love go out and them look thing. You understand? I go match and party and them look thing. So like when we get a break now, and them thing I could have take you out and thing out with us. You understand? Just go enjoy life together. You know? Yeah. That's it, man. A mad thing, man.
All right, no problem.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Same question.
Mm-hmm.
What I do for work?
Yeah, and what do you like doing in your spare time and shit?
Alright, I'm more talented. Me a sicky. I'm do everything else on the side.
Oh.
As if I read, I watch anime, me exercise, me hold on there. 1 minute. Let me show you.
Where am I go?
Yeah, man. One thing in my spare time, see it there. Do drive. See me?
Oh.
When me nah do nothing. Eh? Yeah, man. Top. Man, this me do in my spare time, I nah really do. Kill people on online, Apex. Do everything. Yeah, man. Apex. Me a game man, me a reader, me a everything. All around that.
That's it?
Yeah, that's it.
All right. I know. I feel like this is it's getting, it wasn't a hard decision, but it's
wasn't
like,
at first.
like it get hard right now.
Yeah.
So it's not appearance right now. It's like a vibe, energy, chemistry.
Exactly.
All right then, pop one
It's
male
hard.
balloon right now. Who's it gonna be? Let's go.
It dropped.
Oh, okay.
Appreciate it.
Okay, all right, come to this side. All right, before, why you kept your balloon all along?
I'm like, she a man's time bed. I am first. Never like one slim girl. You see me? Yeah, man, she. So, you know, like piercings, nipple piercing, I'm a weakness too, you know? Yeah, man.
Okay.
Yeah, man. So,
All right, how much did I rate her from 1 to 10?
yeah, 9.
9 out of 10.
Yeah, man.
What do you think about him?
Alright, he's cool and shit. I feel like what turned me off, like, I feel like you're just infatuated, like saying much about my piercings and one bag of shit, freaking bed. Like, I don't like when people bring it up at the first time with like, if we just get to see each other, just know each other, they just like bring it up and say, oh, let me see your tongue, let me see what name, oh, your nipple bed. I don't really like that. It doesn't really go. Even though them there,
Oh, me never
don't.
said that. No, me just I said that a while ago.
Oh, shit.
Never said that at first. You're a liar.
No,
You are
I
liar.
mean, like,
you
you
just
said,
say it now.
You said,
When you ask me why
I
I'm
look like a
keep my balloon.
demon. I'm gonna have so much piercing. You said,
Yeah, man,
you said,
No,
and
man,
that
no,
kind of
man.
just
Amnesia,
turned me
man.
up because, like, I love anime.
Yeah?
Honestly, and I work out. I go to the gym like 4 to 5 times a week.
Mad?
And I feel like, say, I love night beach too, as I say, some people say, we just connect, and then they go mention that. And then I'm just like,
All right.
yeah.
All right, and how much did I rate him from 1 to 10?
I'll give him a 10. I fuck with the fit. Cool. I like him. He's cool.
Yeah?
Yeah.
All right, my G, it wasn't too much today. Walk with grace for me, please.
You do look kind of young and shit. But like, why am I pop it? We just, none of the lineup wasn't even my type and shit.
But why you kept him last then?
Because he's been saying the right things. As you, come on.
To look still she confused, you know what she want, you know.
Exactly.
Yeah. So better she go up on the next show or she go somewhere go look a man or something.
Oh,
because
no,
that's another
baby.
shit. I don't know. Yeah.
No.
Try something else, my G.
All right, so how much did I rate him from 1 to 10 though?
I give him a 5.
5 out of 10?
Yeah.
Why 5?
I don't like the shoes.
30 grand boot this year?
No, that's the thing, the bragging. Turn up. You should do this from the start. But as I said, I just don't like it. It looks dirty. That's about it.
All right.
Yeah, man, she good, man.
All right, my G, it wasn't that much today. Walk with grace for me, please. Whoa, man, I know, when it feel like somebody in the lineup, I am match still. It's like, when it just did kind of seem hard for your pick.
At first, yes, but like when everybody start talk, then it gets easier.
Oh, it get easier. All right, so you come out today, you never get a match. You know what you have to do?
Walk with Chris.
Walk with Chris. Oh, no. I think she was a match. Yo, watching the people, make sure to leave a like because the last video, I'm gonna show some love, man. I like. So give that video some like and love for me now. Live boss, good? Alright, watching now. Are you ready for the next female? Yeah, man. Are you ready? Yeah. Alright, ready. Cool. Come to this side. Hey.
Hi,
Introduce yourself.
I'm Brianna, aka one and only body rider.
Okay, all right. And what's your type though?
Money.
Oh God, Father, you see it. What type of job do you do?
Well, I recently started a trucking company.
That's it?
Yeah.
Show us a social.
One and only body rather on TikTok.
Oh, you were here. You go Portland. So you left from Portland, come here, sir? Oh gosh, you never find a match, so I forgot to get you a match today. By the hook or the crook. Alright, so we got some pop. We're gonna find out why them pop the balloon, okay? Wanna start with right here? Alright, let's go.
No, let's give him for last.
Okay. Alright. Alright, listen. Your name? Why you pop your balloon?
Oh, anything. On TikTok and Insta.
Why you pop your balloon?
Mama just forward on the show. What you like? Money. That's not a great description of saying you like. So you just like money. Money are just money. You know like.
You not like that?
And I'm broke. I'm not broke, but for a girl who just want money, come on, bro.
Okay.
Nice girl still.
How much should I rate her from 1 to 10 though? But based on her appearance.
Well, orange match your shirt, you see me? You're there in the army, say in a green. I don't know if you mean, but yeah, I'm like it. Yeah, I see it, man. I see it. Yeah, smile nice. I give her a 7.
7 out of 10?
Up to the time.
Based on film appearance, what do you think about him?
The fact that he was respectful and everything, him can go on. The only thing though, me and no man are supposed to have no piercing same place. The pierce nose. I have nothing against it, you know. If me never pierce my nose, fine. But him cool, him teeth white. Him could I get a 6.5. 6.5.
Okay, alright then, good.
You good?
6?
6.5.
The one about my 7. Oh yeah, man, that cool, man. That ice.
Alright, come down to this side. Just stand up right here. Your name? Why you pop your balloon?
One chippy. Reason pop balloon. We can general or
Huh?
we can take off a full in our relationship.
Yeah, me look like I can take my phone full in there.
Yeah.
Oh, so you should just look like
I can grow in our head.
like you can take her for
Yeah.
like a yam.
You can call it. No, I'm not put no disrespectful. But yeah.
So what you mean? But like take her for fool in a relationship? What you mean?
In our relationship, she ask me, say, Ray, if I do something, I say no, and you know,
Oh, like if she asks you a question, you tell her no and like lie to her.
convince her. Yeah.
How much should I rate her from 1 to 10 though?
A 5.
5 out of 10? Alright. What do you think about him based on his appearance? And what you have to say?
Appearance wise.
What you think about what him say?
Papa, you're wrong. You're dead wrong. You're dead wrong. You come out for the show, I don't know. But then if your best dress or what babes, not trying to, I just say, be appearance you work with. I don't know this bedroom, I don't know the money park, I don't know appearance tree. I don't know if I'm best dress.
And what you think about what him said though?
Him dead wrong. Do you know me? Hush babes, now next life.
Yeah?
Yeah, man, she good.
Come to this side. Over here. Your name? Why you pop your balloon?
One Prada, man. Reason why me pop my balloons in and I know about no money in a cause me spend for my woman them, you know. Anything she want in about. Woman, you too heavy. You too, look how many little flames you go broke me up, man. Can't manage you. Not at all.
And based on her appearance, how much should I rate her though?
2.
You know, feel like you're 2 or 2.
Yeah, man, 2, man.
Yeah, but based because you can't manage her, that's why you get 2?
Yeah, me can't manage her, so.
And that's just the only reason.
You don't look bad, me not telling a lie.
Okay, thanks.
What do you think about him? And what him say?
3 feet clocks. 1.5 feet shirt. Skin clean, face smooth. Can get 4. But at the 4, yeah, I get doing now. Me just make it, yeah, the 4 face.
Yeah, man, it's active, man.
Yeah, you're nice, bud.
So 4 overall, or we are add up still?
No, we're not add up, man. At the
You done
4
this, huh?
theme cool, yeah.
True, catch you, I could count still.
Because like 8.5 that.
But no, I just in my head,
Yeah.
but the overall ratings papa 4.
Yeah, for me, could count still. But it's active, man.
Alright, cool. Come on to this side. Your name, why you pop your balloon?
One judge 6 on TikTok, you know, and watch her. Moms, yo, you look old, bro, you see it. And in the day, she can't buy me no, you see it. She can't afford me no, baby. You can't buy me no Benz, you can't buy me no Beamer, you see me no want it. And me, I look things, you see it. So, at that now, you see me, baby, so that's why me no want you see it, you know, feel attractive to my spirit, my energy, you see it. Yeah. Could I do a 50-50 still if you just did, you know? Still like, you know? Yeah, but you see me.
How much should I rate her from 1 to 10 though?
I give her 1 2, my boss. Fully. I want Jazzy now, but tell you again, you know, 1 Jazzy 6 for that give her 2.
Alright. What do you think, Bo? What am I for say?
Boy, I'm have to say your opinion, uncle.
Alright.
Team opinion.
Based on him appearance? What do you think
What?
about him? Based on him appearance, what do you think about him?
What the appearance then?
Him appearance or him look?
What the appearance?
I mean, when you look, you can buy me yen shirt, you can buy pack a yen shirt, you can buy pack a yen's marina. Talk it now, no.
You know
Can
much
buy
me make on a
Ameripants,
trip with
talk
just
it
a
now, no.
load for truck?
Can buy Ameripants, talk it now, no. Go for Ameri site now, Ameri.com.
Yeah, talk too much now. Alright, me no know you don't have no ratings and an
Oh,
appearance. Your shirt, me no know why you take him up off already. The charter man you could have make me bring 2. Me can't rate him. Nothing that so that they separate. Nothing.
Alright, come on to this side. Your name, why you pop your balloon?
November that underscore done. November that underscore done underscore 5. Reason pump balloon. She look like a mock. But a big man, she look like a mock.
A what?
A mock.
Like a mukbang?
No, like a mock. She just look like a plain mock. I'm gonna just mock her out. I really think, but I just have to be real with you, you know. I have a party I keep April the 25, mock carnival. A mad thing, man, I can come.
You know what that mean? What that mean?
Elaborate, you know. Elaborate.
Okay. I don't know what that means still. Alright, based on her appearance, how much should I rate her?
Well, the fact that she do her nails and her 2 on her, she actually alright, she just alright, but I give her 7 out of 10.
7 out of 10?
Yeah, she cool, man.
What do you think about what you have to say?
One question, what is a mock? No, be for real.
No, now I talk about that.
Alright.
You don't know what it mean then?
You have what it takes to mock out somebody?
Yeah, man. Confident about that.
Alright.
Somebody, my last, what it mean?
Him say me a mock some, he must know.
Alright, how much should I rate him from 1 to 10?
The fact that you have on a clocks, 3.
You know, like clocks?
Mm-hmm.
Or maybe she just can't buy one.
Three. Alright, come down to this side. Your name? Why you pop your balloon?
My name one monster boss. Lego the boy. Papai. Yeah, man. On Instagram and TikTok, same name. Fully.
Why you pop your balloon?
Yeah, the reason I pop my balloon, you know. Well, to be honest, a white sheet up on my bed. You understand? And my foot dirty. Yeah, so that's why I'm pop my balloon. If you respect my thing, if you embrace me.
At hotel you run, at hotel I
No,
love me know
remember,
and
white
get
sheet
source
on my
of
bed.
sheet.
No.
White sheet.
Listen now, white sheet on my bed. I must have a party in jail sometime. You understand?
But the daughter door go long bad still.
Yeah, but you not see her foot bottom, bro.
No, but I see between her two rolly. Dirty, you see dirt rolly?
Where you see there between
Zoom
the
up the
two?
camera, look right there, so. You see me, so I feel disrespectful, I feel violated. Yeah,
You feel disrespected.
Yeah, so
Okay,
that
not
violated. Because you
disrespectful.
come and pop the balloon. Look nice. Wear nice shoes. Understand? I should wear socks with the slippers.
That not gonna look good, bro.
You don't know about the dirt or that throw me off.
But it
Really.
outside, I got along bad uncle.
Was the dirt outside?
What's that? At Jamaica,
Maybe that then. But you know when you reach, you could get the water, wash your foot, and come in the room and look nice.
How much did I rate her from 1 to 10?
2 minutes, but I give her 6.5, 6.5. Yeah, she look nice and everything, but I just monster. I'm fast and I roll it.
Hey, oh! A trucks.
My speed left for I roll it.
Oh, yeah.
She not keep up to my speed, yeah. No disrespect, she not keep up to my speed. My means a pie.
A demonstration that?
Yeah, so you see me? Yeah, man. Yeah, big up yourself.
What do you think about what I'm have to say?
If I got adjustment with my foot dirty in that color white shirt, the babes, you should have come again. That's not white.
Which color?
The fact that your ear post look tired out and your them pants say stop wear, like it's stop wear. Stop wear. And
You can't
you're going to disrespect me based the fact that my foot dirty, we can't wash off. That permanent dirt. That can't wash off, it can't rub off, it can't scrub off.
Now come back, Sherlock, man.
Alright, so how much did I rate him from 1 to 10?
That I'm rating.
One question.
What's
your
question?
belly bigger than my own?
I have 4 pitney. Yeah.
Now I have so much money in the baby. Big up yourself. Walk with grace.
Alright.
Yeah, yeah.
Come to the... Before you held the balloon, why you kept it?
Honestly, if I tell her the truth, to me just want to hear her out, you know? You understand? Because me she say she own a trucking company and when she just come on first, she say she love money, so I don't know what the case, I don't know if she love money or she just love money overall, you understand? So me just want to hear her out, but me she say something like about the Clarks thing, I don't know, like she say she don't like Clarks
No.
or something like that. Where is it?
Continue.
You know, where is it? Talk, where is it?
Continue.
Yes, like she forgot. You understand? Me see say something about Clarks, like she say she don't like
No,
Clarks.
the mere fact that him have on a clocks make him get her ratings.
Sorry for this. You understand? But what show me have still, you know, based on the fact say you have 4 pitney.
kids.
You understand? Me is a pitney myself too, so I don't know how that I go. You understand? You see it, so
5 that.
yeah, yeah. But
So what make you be a pitney though?
me is a young youth see me and thing and she have 4 pitney. How she gonna make time for? You understand? What me I gonna do? Go in the kitchen and eat out the baby snacks and them little thing there. You understand? So me that just tell her to just catch back herself and I time me have to catch herself and come back. You know? Yeah.
How much did I rate her from 1 to 10?
She look good still. Me not disrespect the female, the man. She look like she want a man because she a come from Portland and she company 30 though. Yeah, so probably me that from 1 to 10. Alright, me that give her a 5 because she a match. She look good. Her shirt match her slippers and thing. You don't look no way, baby. Go on, catch yourself.
Alright, so based on what him say and him appearance, how much did I rate him?
For the face, low, yeah.
Alright, so based on him appearance and what him say,
Alright,
how much did I
when
rate him?
say throw me off, it's your reasoning ability is very low. I understand the fact that you say your kid is your child yourself, right?
Yeah.
But the mere fact that I have 4 children throw you off, yes, I'm gonna catch back myself. Elaborate little bit on that so I can answer fully. I know you feel that I'm not financially stable or they're not well taken care of. I don't know. Yes, I catch back myself.
No, I don't know like that still. But me just say, yo, I don't know. Me just feel like say I tell some lie or something. I understand. So I just decide them. I don't know. You seem like a liar. I tell you the truth. You seem like. To be honest, I tell you.
So you don't believe she have 4 kids?
No. I don't believe nothing what she say. Nothing at all.
Alright, how much I rate him based on him appearance?
Face, him can get 5.
Film face?
Yeah.
You just rate him face alone?
Mm-hmm.
So I'm to the fit. Fit no make sense. Clothes don't look good and I say like Clarks.
5 for your face, babes.
Alright.
That's it?
Yeah.
Alright, so the man them without a balloon, walk with grace for me, please. Yo, everybody pop.
Mister, them no know no good. Them no used to nothing.
Yo, so you mean for them say, come Kingston, I'm think you're gonna get that? Oh
And
my
nothing.
gosh. Yo, you know what you have to do? Try
Walk on,
again
mother.
and walk with grace. Cha-cha. Think she gonna get a match, you know? She left from Portland. Oh, channel. Wait then. Please like the video. Now wait. Thank you. Watch out, man. Make sure to big up my big bad sponsor, Motorsource. Make Motorsource be your first car you purchase from. You see it? Yo, we might import some car right now. So if you want your brand new imported car, link up Motorsource. I don't know. The man them, you ready? Yo, one thing you ever ready, you know? You ever ready? Yes, see? Alright, watch out now. We'll wait until she reach right or so. Yeah? Alright then. Come to this side. No, yeah, come. Right here. Introduce yourself.
Hi, good night. My name is Naya.
Naya. And what type of job do you do, Naya?
Oh my gosh. Well, I do promotion. Promotion work. A good thing to pop a balloon, because for the balloon that get popped first. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Alright. And what's your type? Just use the mic.
I like an ambitious man, goal driven. And them have something going on with themselves, of them head on them body.
Ambitious.
Yep.
And when it comes down to like a male, where you hate most about pet peeves.
Well, first and foremost, I hate a guy that claims him have it and don't have it at end idea. And me hate a mean man. What else? Me don't like man with bleach because basically it's giving insecure. Me don't like man them with them fingernail long and dirty and the toenail them dirty or something.
That's it?
Yeah, that's it.
That's it.
Pretty much it.
Alright, so we got some puffs, so we can find out why them pop the balloon, okay?
Yeah.
We're gonna start with right here, okay?
Awesome.
Alright, let's go. Your name? Why you pop your balloon?
My name, one man Sabas, like the bird, Papai, Pai. On Instagram and TikTok. Yeah, man, people. Yeah. So it's a reason.
Why you pop your balloon?
The reason I pop my balloon, because session like bleach and my tone, my skin look a bit, you know. Because I'm an ugly piece of youth, you know. You understand?
Why you tell me not bleach?
When me hold this conversation?
Earlier.
Where?
Are you forgetting?
Where?
Come on. Keep it going. Come.
Oh, say,
have a conversation.
oh, say you bleach?
Never remember.
No, I just tone my skin, so she just say, no cream, no bleach, or something. I just pop my balloon. Yeah, from early. You understand?
How much did I rate her from 1 to 10 though?
Like, yeah, 7. Yeah.
Thank you.
No, but I get her 7. Because she look nice, you know? She have thick thighs. She have a look something around there.
So I look nice, I'm not get a 10. Me give myself a 10.
No,
yeah,
I
come
can't
on.
get it 10. You understand? Yeah, I can't get it 10. Maybe we go look at that 7.
We'll work with the 7.
Alright, so use the mic here.
I will work with the 7. Appreciate it. Thank you.
Alright, based on film appearance, how much did I rate him?
I will give you a 7, 8. I give that because you bleach. I don't like bleacher.
Which one?
Like
7 or 8?
7.5. Because I feel like say me in a competition with complexion. I don't want that. Yeah.
That's it?
Next person.
Alright. Your name? Why you pop your balloon?
November that _Dan_5. Well, she said she'd already pop our balloon, so that's why I just pop it as it.
Or you just hear that and just pop right here, so come to this. And you just pop it. You hear that?
Yeah, man. But it's a case where she stated that she like an ambitious guy. You see it? I fit that character, but she never want me, so it goes this. And she have Jaden tattoo on her skin. You see it? I mean, I don't know if I the one way, you know?
Not shit in a plate, baby. Not shit in a plate business.
How much did I rate her from 1 to 10?
She look like a gold digger. She look like she good pan. What she do steam like get her 10 out of 10. but you couldn't catch me still.
Murder, a true?
Alright. Based on where you think.
Really?
Alright, based
Oh
on
my God.
based on what him say and him appearance, how much did I rate him?
Him put himself together, him look nice, him look alright, and him go on, I give him a look of 5. Not my type of man, but yeah, him
5 out of 10?
Yeah, him too looker. I
Alright.
like my man them. No, not the bad man them, but you know stout. Have a look of body and chocolate skin. Yeah.
Let's go. Just use up the mic, yeah?
Alright.
Yeah, right here. Come right here, so.
Hello, good night.
Your name, why you pop your balloon?
One Jazzy in a 6'6" on TikTok, you know. Watch her. Our nails them not do good. You see it. But I get 1,000 right now for your nails them. And watch her now. You're just like, you got a club, baby.
Murder.
You see it. Yeah, and watch her now. You're a woman. If you put yourself together, that slippers ain't not much to what you wear. And that ear that too right now, that ear that show you off completely. So I give you 1, 2, baby. Right, that's all.
Oh my God.
Alright.
So,
Alright, this is the mic.
first and foremost, my name is Naya.
Give them now hear you, Naya.
Pleasant good night.
Yeah.
My name is Naya.
Yeah.
If not get no ratings, cause he never put himself together good. He might want all marina, the marina yellow and tear up, and him shorts, it's not giving, and him piece of slippers, and him piece of
So
white socks. It don't make no sense. And my
Hold on,
slippers,
hold
when
on,
him said,
hold
oh,
on,
go with
hold
my
on.
clothes at
Hold on,
$15,500 for my slippers up at Bridget. It can make, it can buy everything we have. Bridget always have the imprinting as a zoom in. Bridget, BRIDGETT. Bridget have the
That
stamp
done, but
on
they
that
don't be able
foot
to
and
say
bottom.
done, that don't know. You say don't
Yes.
know. You never come and show
A
you don't know.
$15,000 for where want me dash
You
you my
don't know. You
slippers.
can buy yens, you can buy yens marina. You can buy a pack of yen shirt. You can.
All blood from last year, they pay your marina.
Yeah, fool, my
Watch
girl.
it. Take off the look of wash
You know,
over
sister,
chain. The
yo,
chain
watch
don't
on,
make
hold
no
on,
sense.
hold on, hold
Your
on,
teeth
hold on,
yellow.
hold on,
You want
hold
a
on.
pepper
I hate
tree.
me, it,
You want one pepper.
hold on, watch on, easy now.
You don't make no sense.
Easy now, easy now. Cool now, cool now.
You look like say they
Cool
for
now.
work. You look hungry, white
Rascal.
skull and yam. What you say?
Alright.
Talk to
Alright.
me.
How much should I rate him?
Negative, no what all. Him not deserve no ratings.
You hear that? Those style, yeah. Those style, you hear that? Those style.
A 3 grand in money, him lunch money stopper. Yeah, 3 grand for him lunch money.
I can fling
Don't
out
buy
more
12
to me. Can
back
fling
plan.
out on 5 grand to right now, yeah?
Yes, I can show up my PayPal card, where say my social card, my NCD card, where say.
Alright, let's go down the line.
You can buy yens, you can buy Amiri jeans, you hear?
I ends my youth
I
them
can buy
wear.
Amiri jeans.
They know fruits, they know fruits.
Alright.
I eat that.
Alright.
Think no man buy me this and no man buy me this.
Alright.
I can buy pack of yens,
Alright.
and the little junk there, man.
I don't know one.
Hold on.
Yes.
Your name? Why you pop your balloon?
I don't know one. Pride music on the TikTok. Baby, I'm up on balloon still. Your color I know which tone it want depend if a black or copper color. Cause I know brown that. To be honest, true.
What you mean, Chabron?
Look here, look at yourself. Look there. 2 different color that roll. Look on the face. 2 different color that.
Yeah, suntan.
Suntan. I'm blind.
Alright, how much should I rate her from 1 to 10?
-0, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Aight, man.
Alright. What do you think about what him have to say? And based on him appearance, how much should I rate him?
In Clark's dirty. Him shorts, him look like a brother shorts him put on. It top look like say a female for true. The cane row them look like say him use spit and cane row it. It no look good. It no look like a jam up here like a spit guy white. The cane row them
Catch
no
him.
make a sense.
Catch him
And
2
him
texts
want
on your toe,
trim.
run on your toe. Catch 2 texts
And
on your toenail,
the
run on your
chain
toe.
is not
The 2
silvering.
texts them
It's
don't know which
given.
part it want there.
It's given
My girl,
iron
the 2 texts them don't
man.
know which part it want there. Talk to your 2 texts them first. And look
What
because
else?
you want to grip down a bottom.
What else?
How much should I rate him from 1 to 10?
Not what time I get no ratings. Him never done school, I pick no this.
All right, let's go down to the next one. Right, sir.
Uh-huh.
Your name? Why you pop your balloon?
No, I want chippy. She too sassy.
Me no sassy, me have to behave accordingly like the man them. I understand a man them sassy. A woman for sassy, baby. If a woman don't sassy, you don't have a good woman. Cause first thing first, a man look up on the road now. Me I say pussy go suck your mother. And you must say straight. You understand? If you don't have one sassy woman, it don't make no sense. Period.
Well,
You want one baby where man just see and draw a road?
No,
Anytime
man.
them feel like, oh me we fight a boy right now.
Well, me nah have nothing else different from that. She look good.
Much you rate her from 1 to 10?
Mm-hmm.
What a 2. Yeah.
But you just say shit,
Come
I
on,
just
old
sassy
man.
alone.
Yeah. I that make she get a 2. Over sassy. Over sassy.
So her appearance is like a 2?
Yeah.
Thank you.
What you think about him have to say, and based on him appearance, how much you rate him?
Him seem like a cool person. Him calm and him approach me calm and decent more than them look or vagabond in back this so. I go give him back him same too. Man I go be unfair. 2.
2?
You understand? My love my 2. 2 cool.
Cool.
Too cute, too pretty.
Alright. Alright, let's go down to this side. What kind of question? Alright, so the man them without a balloon. Walk with grace for me now, please. Go down to that side. Go down to that
Y'all
side.
some
Alright, come
with a love man.
here.
Alright.
Yeah. Alright, so come with me. Come with me right as well. Yeah. Alright, so 2 males have a balloon right now. You have a chance for ask them a question, get to know them. You know? You pop everybody who forget pop.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah?
Them pop them on a balloon, them alright.
Alright then. So we're gonna start with right here, okay?
Sure.
Alright then. What's your name?
Father Flame again, you know.
What's his question?
So my question to you is, where do you see yourself in the next 5 years from now?
Now, next 5 years, I'm half rich. I know me manifest that.
Love
Half
that. Good, good. Nice mindset. That's good.
That's it?
Same question for you, darling.
Oh, people always ask with them see themselves 5 years from now, anything can happen.
That's
You see
true,
me?
but
What me would I like for happen in the future? I feel my business them escalate, you know, get big business them.
awesome. That
My
sounds
artist career and me, you know, me just in my work, I'm a sicky, you see me? Just uplift, you know, rank to rank to rank, left that 25 or so. Me have a dream. So me know basically yeah, so I see myself, you know, everything.
awesome.
Alright.
Awesome. That sounds good.
Alright. So pop 1. Is there any more question? Alright, so basically just because I 2 male there, so I'm gonna make them ask you a question. We'll see if there's a chemistry, okay?
Sure.
Alright then. Start with right here. What's her question? Come to this side.
Alright, when she just come in, me and she say, yo, she go pop my balloon. So me da ask her, say, yo, what she point for my man and say, yo, who for balloon she go pop. So me da ask her, say, why should I want to do that? You know? Yeah.
So my reason why I said that is because you look like me are same age. I'm like man I can say yes daddy if you understand what I say.
Yeah, how much?
Old enough but I like a big man if you understand what I say. Not too old and not too young.
Yeah, you want an
You're
elder.
no, not elder but mature enough for me.
So me look at me how much?
Yeah, give me a 26 vibe.
Oh,
And I need a man, not a boyfriend.
alright.
You ask, she say, you look young.
Well, I say based on the fact say she say me look young, so that means say yo, me and her type, so should I want a big man, should I want a elder, you understand? So no have another option. That me have to do. You understand? But they say it there.
Oh, because you feel like say your age.
Yeah, she say me look young and them things. So she say she want a big man and she say she want a chang man. No, Mr. Marga, man. You understand? So
you're not strong?
No, I can't. No, man, I'm strong on them things, I can't. You understand? Live her up on them things, but you understand? But she was like, she want a man built, you understand? Yeah. I'm gonna go to the gym and them things there, you know, so yeah, that's it there.
Alright, based on her appearance, how much should I rate her?
She don't look tree bad still, you know. Understand? But she look like a girl and would have to spend a bag of money upon door, so you understand? So
You the uncle belly boy them over there. So.
I no style man still and thing. So she look good. So I give her a 7.
7 out of 10?
Yeah, 7 out of 10.
Thank you, sweetheart.
Alright, based on what him say, you can answer that?
Him sound like a reasonable person, sound cool. I'm like him answer everything humble and not gonna tell no lie. If when he just come in and so I keep my balloon for him especially, but him too young and he might give me a soft look of vibe. I'm like a mixture. Soft and
Him look soft? Him look soft?
Yeah, him look soft.
Like
looks
But that earthy baby.
looks like deceiving still come is a demon, you know. You understand? He's a
That
demon.
makes the two of us, sweetheart.
Yeah, so
Demon, girl,
I just
size her.
you understand? You see the facts say how you say me look soft and thing. You know that's your opinion still, but if you get to know me and them thing, then me beat you. Me I tell you like if I do
Me
something.
don't wanna beat no baby.
No, me I tell you cause you
Me
say
don't wanna beat no. Me just like
what do you mean
not
beat
too
her?
rough, not too
me that
soft.
beat her, man. I'm tell you, man, with the button, man. I'm tell you, man. Yeah, man. So she say, oh, my sauce.
No, the third leg right there.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's
No.
Beating, woman beating?
beating.
No,
them
not
accept,
physically.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Me that grind her, man. Yeah.
Alright, how much should I rate him? How much should I rate him
Me I
based
give him
on?
a 10. Me
I
I
give
give
him
him
a
a
10?
10, yeah. Even though it's higher than what him give me, yeah. 10. I'm a lower my eyes apart.
Alright then, based on you never get a match today? Walk with grace for me now. Alright, come to this side. Alright, so
Down.
I don't know. You're kinda hesitant. I know you have some questions. Right? So I'm gonna allow you for ask her a question, okay? Because she just cleared something just now, right? Alright, so ask her a question.
I'm alone. Yeah. You say I'm alone, you did have eyes.
I didn't have eyes on anybody in particular. I didn't have eyes on anyone at all. But in the whole lineup, I'm alone son reasonable so far. 'Cause I remember me I talked to one by one, you know. So he was like the by far most person that speak my language. If you understand what me I say. Him so cool and chill in a local sense. So yeah, that's just my reason of saying that.
Who or what is Jaden?
My son name is Jaden.
One son you have?
I have 2 boys.
You know, yeah. Plan to get the girl?
When I'm married. That sound good, not true?
So, I mean, want to marry her?
Me can't just get up and say I'm gonna marry them today just so. Me I forget to know your family background and all of that. You have to know my background also, right? Can't just get up and marry them.
No, which part you work again?
Ramesh.
Oh, dancing, I do?
No, I don't dance.
What is a Ramesh?
Alright, so what I do is bottles. I'm a bottle waiter and I do promotions for
Mixology?
like Campari. No, like the party patrons, them would come in at the party and me that say, hi, good night, do you want any bottle service? That's basically my job. Yes.
You have anything you want to ask me?
Yeah, anything you want to ask him?
No.
No question for you?
No question.
That's it for her?
That's it for you?
Do you have kids?
No.
No, I see why you look so when I say 2 pitney. But yeah, it's just that.
Alright, so I'm gonna ask my final question, alright? Alright, so I want to find out. Is it a match for you?
Yeah.
It's a match for you?
Yeah.
Yeah? Alright. Is it a match for you though?
No.
It's not how much for you?
Change my
Sorry,
mind.
sweetheart. Hush, here.
All right.
Hush, baby.
All right.
You
All
seem
right.
cool and everything
So
still, but
before, hold on, I'll find out. So before she pop, right, and reject you, why you kept your balloon though?
You want to hear her out? She's nice, bro. You know? Yeah, man. You want to hear her out, bro. I like her.
You say she was a match, bro.
Yeah, she was a match.
So me I say, why you kept it?
Until she reject me.
Yeah.
I just life.
So you like both her, why you kept your balloon?
I tell you, she nice girl, you know, nice browning. And sassy. But in a bed, she look like her, you know?
bad girl.
Bad girl, you know?
How much did I rate her from 1 to 10?
Listen,
How much did I rate her from 1 to 10?
She pretty. Like her pierced nose right this and boom,
Thank
bang,
you.
bang. You know? Me give her a 9.
9 out of 10?
Thank you, sweetheart.
Alright, so why you pop his balloon?
Well, he popped his balloon because...
No, but you reject him, that's why I pop it.
That's what I was gonna say.
Yeah.
So I basically popped his balloon because man not my type. I don't want to be too rude. I don't want to say too much things to come off as rude because it might be nice to me and so on. So
No, but you have to be honest. Why?
Be honest. And tell me.
appearance, like him not have that dark melanin look that me I go for.
Oh.
But him seem ambitious, goal driven and everything else.
Oh, you want a blacker man?
Alright, based on him appearance, how much did I rate him from?
Strong, you can't go wrong.
Based on him appearance, how much did I rate him from 1 to 10?
You see him number where him give me how much him give me 9? See him see him cool and him put himself together and like Ressa mongrel him.
So you give him a 9?
Yeah.
Alright, so it wasn't how much to them, G? Awkward grace for me, please.
Baby.
Oh my gosh. Alright, so I don't know what happened at the lineup today, but you get heated. But you say you're a sassy person and you're very expressive.
And them some sassy still. Them some sassy.
No, but you agree with them.
I go own it up, you know.
You agree with them.
You. I'm an Aries.
Yeah.
Welcome to moi.
Oh, you're an Aries. Welcome to moi.
Yeah, welcome to me. This is me. This is my life. And this is how saucy I am.
Alright, so you never get how much today? Oh gosh, so you know what you have to do?
Wow, great.
Awkward grace, give me this. Give me this. Alright then. Alright, so people, at the end of the video, I feel away. You know why I feel away? No worry now, go live us. Yeah, turn the car, you love action. Yo, people must stress out. Man, I lie. Man, I get that much. Man, I get that much today. Man, I match nobody. I feel like a failure, yo. You want Cupid, you know? So you tell me, so we are going to Canada. Man, I equip. You know, see? No, like, I want to say Canada, April the 19th. When we are going England, you know the PayPal and the cash app below? And nobody don't look on it. Every minute when I take my hug, when I hug this, hug that, hug this. No PayPal, when I see no PayPal below. And the cash app, and the cell. Me I ask you, I take my pride aside. I really and truly want to go England for true. Like, I want to be on the plane for 6 hours, 8 hours, 9. I want to be on the plane for 9 hours for true. You see? And go over there, go live my dream. You see me? But just want to go over there, go pop one balloon, just one. Overall, just one. You see? Big up Xanax. If we didn't get how much, we would have give us something today, but we not get no much. So Xanax, I'm gonna give my girlfriend, please. Please, bro. Shop Xanax.
Yes. Walk Plaza, shop number 1 9. You don't ask me number there, you know. But I don't know if I work with them, just for
Yeah, support the video.
I support the video, same here.
Alright,
You should like and subscribe now, you see me?
Alright, come.
Alright, outside.
Come and stress out, bro. Big up. Blessings. Me? Yeah, I give my fiance. Oh, so is that her?
Alright, bro. Appreciate it. Alright, bro. Alright then. So everyone will feel kinda, cheer up and things. Man, like Kingston on a stressful. Bring my passport, please. Bring it. I want to go Canada. Let's go. Yo, April the 19th, remember, DM me, email me if you don't want to be apartheid, and look out for the further province and thing like that. Love alone for the man them. All I'm on this. Big up yourself. I don't want to end the video now. I don't like just feel away. I feel away. I'm real. I feel away. I feel away like boss. Feel away. Come. Come here. Eh? I can't have you.
What now?
Alright, so people, this is Theodore.
Hi people, my name is Theodore.
Alright,
I
so
call up my government team.
well, that's a big deal for putting in the work. Big up yourself.
That is
Continue,
it, my
bro,
G.
G. You
You
see
too.
it? And only part time I'm stressed out, I call him and, you know?
Yeah, both years.
Boss years and thing. You see it?
Yeah.
So we can end the video right now. Big up on yourself. Got it night like all the time. Chips.
Make your crunchy.
GCT forever. And ever, we say goodbye.
Call them some team of a boss. Call them some team of a boss. Call them some team of a boss. Roll to 200k. Get me a like, comment, subscribe.